How to log into KeyBank Online Banking. In this tutorial, we're going to see a quick and easy way to log into KeyBank Online Banking. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and search for KeyBank. And next, you just tap on the first link, key.com, to open up the official site for the bank. Once on their homepage, you'll find the sign on button at the top right corner of your screen. You can either tap on that or you can just go ahead and find sign up button somewhere down here. Now I'll just go ahead and tap on that at the top right. It will get you to a pop-up to enter your login credentials. So just go ahead and tap on sign on. Then once you will be taken to the login credential page, you just need to provide your user ID or username and then your password. Now just go ahead and enter the user ID that's connected to your KeyBank's account. And if you want the browser to remember your username, you can just check this box so that you don't have to enter it every time you try to log in. Then you can just go ahead and enter your password and then click on the sign on button. And if you are having trouble signing on, or if you've forgotten your password, you can just go ahead and tap on problem signing on, select forgot my password, and then continue on with the prompts right there. That is basically how you log into your KeyBank Online Banking. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.